Hey folks, welcome to my channel Number Pen. So we have the problem on our screen. Limit x tending to 0, tan x minus sin x divided by x cube, right? And so what is tan x? Tan x is nothing but sin x by cos x, right? So let's write it that way and let's see what we get. I'm going to bracket this first and I write it as sin x by cos x, which is my tan x, and then I retain my sin x here as it is. And I'm going to do a whole divide by my x cube, right? Which means I can rewrite this particular expression. I'll do that in the subsequent line. So I have this as sin x minus I can move the cos x to my numerator, right? So I can rewrite this as sin x into cos x divided by cos x into x cube, right? I hope you folks are with me. So all that I've done is rewritten tan x as sin x by cos x, and I have further, I cannot call it simplified the expression. So I've written tan x, so I've written tan x as sin x by cos x, and when we move sin x and apply it across the entire expression, we know that cos x will move along with the second part of the numerator, right? So what do we get now? I can pull out my sin x from here, right? And I can write this as 1 minus cos x, and then I have my cos x, and then I still have my x cube, right? That leaves me with tan of x. I'm going to move to the next line. My sin x by cos x is tan of x, right? And I have my 1 minus cos x, which we arrived at in the previous step, and I have my x cube, right? Now, when we write the above expression this way, it becomes a lot simpler, right? I can write x cube further as x into x square, right? And I can combine, and I'm going to bracket it now. Tan of x by x into 1 minus cos x by x square, right? All that we have done is we have written x cube as x into x square. We have combined the x part of the x cube with tan x, and we have combined the x square part of x cube with 1 minus cos x, right? So we have the first part of the expression, which is tan x by x, and we've got the second part of the expression, which is 1 minus cos x by x square, right? So we know that the first part is a formula that's readily available to us whenever limits extending to zero. The second part, and I'm not going to solve this explicitly in this problem, I'll probably put a link to that particular video where we have solved the limits of this particular expression, which is the second expression in this particular equation, which is 1 minus cos x by x square, right? So the first part is 1, and the second part, so 1 minus cos x by x square is nothing but half as x tends to 0, right? So the answer to this problem is 1 by. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please do subscribe to my channel and support. Thank you.